40 years ago, Ron Elias and brothers John and Ralph Fehr purchased Elias Woodwork, which was conceived as a one-man cabinet shop by Mr. Peter Elias, who worked out of a small garage on the side yard. Since that humble beginning, our people have produced superior quality products of exceptional value at such a competitive price as to propel the business to double in manufacturing capacity every 4 years.
The woodworking industry in general really kind of has a reputation of being in the dark ages with machinery and technology. Many companies use machinery maybe made in the 50s or 60s. That's definitely not Elias Woodwork. Elias Woodwork is led by Ralph, who has a background in engineering and has a passion for technology and machinery.
Elias Woodwork is 2 factories in 2 towns 6 miles apart, and the freeway that connects these 2 outrageously energetic communities is a microcosm of what's going on all around.
Our little city in southern Manitoba is bursting at the seams with manufacturers that all pursue providing outstanding quality and workmanship. We are pleased to have worked with Elias Woodwork as a supplier for many years now, and love the fact that where many in the woodworking industries are content to use a tape measure, these guys will use digital calipers and highly automated equipment.
Even though Elias is now seen as one of the most automated wood processing factories in North America, each piece of equipment installed has resulted in more employment, never less.
It's great to coexist together with another large manufacturer in the Pembina Valley serving our community. I've known Ralph for quite a few years, and sure is good to have Elias Woodwork and Ralph close by. I can call him up anytime that we can collaborate on good manufacturing methods. We can collaborate on issues that we have, where we can compare and come up with solutions together.
We provide and manufacture components to many industries, providing items such as cabinet doors, full kitchen cabinets, commercial millwork, residential millwork, and even components for the RV industry.
We produce recreational vehicles for the North American RV market, and Elias Woodwork really has helped us elevate the interior of our RVs for many years now, and being located here right in Winkler, Manitoba has been a real convenience doing business together.
Icon Technologies is a multi-process plastics manufacturer, and we've been pleased to work with Elias Woodwork supplying parts for the Western Star truck interiors. Winkler Morden was named as one of the most entrepreneurial areas in all of Canada by a CBC poll a couple of years ago. We're blessed to be part of such a talented group of industry-leading manufacturers, diverse, yet able to create synergy to bring many superior products to a global market.
Our commitment to never cutting costs close to the customer results in real human beings answering the phone for customer orders and service. Packaging that is sure to get the product to your location in the condition it left our factory, with a fit and finish that is second to none. We have the name of our customer attached to every workpiece going through our shop, and are fortunate to be located in a community where employees take pride in knowing the idiosyncrasies of individual customers and how they like their details handled. And the work ethic and pride in workmanship is attached to every finished piece leaving our factory.
At Sun Valley Cabinets, we've been working with Elias Woodwork since the very beginning. With Elias Woodwork having celebrated 40 years, it's quite an accomplishment. Looking forward, I feel that Elias Woodwork will continue to be a big part of what we do. It's been a really good relationship with them. They've always been a very reliable source of products for us, and we hope to continue that for a long, long time.
It's been a lot of hard work over these 40 years, but when you love what you're doing, you don't feel like you have to work a day in your life.
From all of us here at Triple E, we want to wish Ralph and the team at Elias Woodwork a happy 40th anniversary and wish you many, many more years of success in the business world.
Congratulations, Elias Woodwork. 40 years is a significant milestone.
On behalf of the team here at Icon, I'd like to congratulate Elias on their success. We look forward to many more projects we can work on together in the coming years. Congratulations on your 40th.
Congratulations to Elias Woodwork and their team on their 40th anniversary.